Guys, your guy Daniel again, back with another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to convert a .AAC file to an MP3 file. Basically, .AAC is an extension standing for Advanced Audio Coding. This is a format that you could get when you record audio using your mobile phone. Basically, the need to convert this happens when you want maybe to upload this audio file to some platforms, and this platform will not recognize this one as an audio file. So we therefore need to know at least a method of converting a .AAC file to an MP3. We are going to use a Linux machine to do this, and we are going to do that by just a few commands to have this file converted to .mp3. So I have included the commands that I'm to use on these files called commands.txt, and below this video I'll include a link to the blog site whereby you can be able to fetch the commands. So what you need to do, just open terminal. We have the terminal open here, and we are going to install the module that is responsible in converting this file extension to .mp3. So let us see the content of our commands.txt file. So we are going to install a module called ffmpeg. That is if you are on Linux, that is if you are on Ubuntu. If you are on CentOS, it is the same module but a slightly different command. So you need to establish the Linux distribution that you are currently on, so that you can run the correct command to install the module. So I had already done that. I had already installed. So for your case, if you're on Ubuntu, run this one. If you are on CentOS 8, run this one. If you're on CentOS 7 and older versions, run this one. Once that module is installed, this is the command that will assist us in converting this file to get an output of a .mp3. So let's copy this. Then on your terminal, ensure that you have navigated to the root folder. In my case, the root folder under which the file that we wish to convert is AAC file. So basically we are there. So for your case, just navigate to the right folder, then paste that command. So there are two things that you need to change in this command. Just ensure you change this name to reflect the name of this file that we wish to change. That is static.aac. Then we also change this name. This is the name of the file that we expect to have as an output. So let's call it static.mp3. Then click on enter. So just give it some time. It may take a minute or two. And within no time, we have been able to convert a .AAC file to a .mp3 file. So to confirm that you have done the right thing, just click on the mp3 file and listen to it to confirm that it's a correct audio. So this marks the end of our tutorial today. Thank you for tuning in. Kindly like this video, share with your colleagues, and also subscribe to our channel so that you can get real-time updates. Thank you, and have a good day.